beautiful souls. This is Mariana Stefan with Raw Vegan Blessings. Today we're sharing with you our peaceful walk in the Oregon forest, immersing ourselves in the high vibrations of sound, energy, and frequency that only nature can offer. As we walk with our lovely dogs, Viper and Neron, we are reminded of something simple but powerful. Nature is the healer. In nature, we remember. The forest is a sacred space. It calms the nervous system, regulates the breath, and clears the mind. When we enter this stillness, the trees become our teachers, the silence becomes our guide, and our nervous system, the bridge between body and spirit, begins to unwind. Because our nervous system is not just a physical function, our nervous system is our compass. When it's calm and aligned, we become limitless. When it is dysregulated, we feel stuck, reactive, and disconnected. That's why forest walks like this one are more than just a movement. They are moving meditation. They are living prayers. A moment of presence surrounded by the sacred elements, earth, air, sun, and water. As we walk, we listen to the birds, to the wind, to the trees, to our own thoughts shifting and softening. This is where we come to remember who we truly are, to ground, to breathe, and simply be in the now. From our hearts to yours, thank you for walking with us today. We're sending you love, light, and raw vegan blessings from Oregon. And please stay authentic. This is your power and this is your truth.